Hey guys, welcome back to another helping of Crazy Easy Keto. And as you can see, I've got some Dollar Tree bags here. So today we are doing a keto Dollar Tree haul. And yes, that's 4 bags worth of stuff from Dollar Tree that is going to help you if you're doing keto. It's not all necessarily food stuff, but we'll get into that in just a minute. I'm going to start with, actually not that bag. That's the one I want last. This one over here. So boom, 3-pack of string cheese, always a nice snack. They also have the pepper jack variety sometimes, which is my preference because then my kids don't steal them. Another good keto staple. You've got chicken broth. Always good to have on hand. Another snack is they have a lot of like sunflower seeds. These ones happen to be bacon flavored, which I thought would be fun to try. They also had, I believe, ranch and dill as well as the regular ones. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Just the sunflower kernels. Also, great snack. They do have some carbs, but because of the fiber, so you've got like the 7 carbs minus the 3 fiber is only 4 total carbs for 3 tablespoons of them. They're really great to put on salads or just to munch on. I'm a fan of sunflower seeds. Now I also have these in here. How the heck are Muffin Tins keto? Well, I have a recipe that I'm going to show you guys in a few days that uses these. I like the ones at Dollar Tree because as you can see, they're the smaller like 6-spot ones. So if you just want to make a small batch, it's really easy to do in these small pans. And they are nice and sturdy. Like they're not super flimsy, which is really cool. And yeah, $1. Hello. Okay, I think we're about to the end of this bag. Oh, nope, we got couple more things. Some packs of pecans. Again, nuts and seeds are really good snacks on keto. They have your fiber. They're not high in carbs. And a lot of the times the nuts can be kind of expensive other places, but can't beat Dollar Tree. Okay. So I'm going to kind of push some stuff around here so we can move on to our next bag here. Okay. Bag number 2. Classic keto snack. You got pork rinds and the mild barbecue, and then I think these are the extra spicy. Yeah, hot and spicy. Ooh, that was loud. Sorry, guys. Let's see what else we have in here. What else we got? How about we grab this? Oh, those are the liners to go with the muffin tin. Those are always important to have on hand, and I promise I do have a recipe that I'll be sharing with you guys really soon that uses them. Sunflower seeds are delicious, but I am a bigger fan of pumpkin seeds, and they have those there as well. If you have a really big sweet tooth like I do, you can get the sugar-free candies at Dollar Tree. You do need to be careful with them because they do have a lot of sugar alcohol, and if you're not used to having a lot of things with that sugar substitute, it can upset your stomach. No one wants to deal with that, so take it easy on these. But if you're desperate for chocolate, yes, the sugar-free stuff is okay every once in a while. Okay, whew. Moving on. Bag number 3. Okay, obviously not food, but these little storage containers are great for if like you've got the pumpkin or sunflower seeds or whatever, and you've weighed them out, then you can put your individual portions into these containers, throw them in your lunchbox, your bag, whatever, and then you've got your perfectly portioned out snack ready to go. If you're thirsty, of course, you can get regular bottled water, but you can also find stuff like this or other brands of, sparkling water at Dollar Tree. And again, totally keto friendly. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Of course, I've mentioned this before, but biotin and other supplements, you can get them at Dollar Tree. And, that's a month's supply for $1. Vitamins are stupid expensive other places. Another thing that I really like to get at Dollar Tree is seasonings. French fry seasoning is always a good one to have on hand. I like to put it on zucchini or avocado or anything. It's good. The taco seasoning, this one, you guys, if you can find this stuff, get it. A lot of the packet taco seasonings you can get at Walmart or whatever, if you look at the back, the nutrition label, they will have carbs, but this stuff does not have any. So not only is it cheaper, you get more of it, and it doesn't have carbs. This is the stuff I always get at Dollar Tree. All right, so now that we've gone over that, we're gonna get into some stuff that's a little bit outside of what most people would think of with keto, and it's actually some gardening stuff. Now, why the heck would I bring up gardening when this is a keto video? And that's a great question. The reason is I like gardening. I like growing my own food. You know, it gets me outside, gets you out in the sunshine, and you can pick up the supplies at Dollar Tree. Plus, that way you don't have to worry about the grocery store being out of your favorite zucchini or whatever. Grow it yourself. You can get your little starter pots. They also have a lot of bigger ones as well. Again, check out your Dollar Tree. You know, I've even got the potting mix to get the seeds growing. Like, they have everything you could want. Let's see. Your seed packets there. Now, I know these say 99 cents, but you can get 4 of them for $1 at Dollar Tree. So you've got radish, tomato, zucchini, and cauliflower, which are some of our favorites. So yeah, if you've ever thought about, you know, gardening, Dollar Tree is a great place to start. And yeah, like I said, you can grow your own keto-friendly foods. And the zucchini, I particularly like growing myself because the ones I buy at the grocery store are always like teeny tiny, and the ones I grow myself are huge in comparison. So, yeah. What do you think, guys? Gonna hit up your Dollar Tree for some keto supplies? If you do, let me know in the comments. If you find something at your Dollar Tree that wasn't at mine that you find that's keto friendly, let me know so I can check it out. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.